the 2018 Ford Explorer. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, front and rear air conditioning, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.